Is your iPhone storage full? Do these things in order to get more storage. So first thing is to clear any kind of cache in particular application. So there will be some applications that provide these settings. For example, Facebook do have that setting. Simply go to your Facebook and then from here tap on the menu bar right here. Then simply tap on settings and privacy. From here tap on settings. And then from here, scroll down until you see browser option, tap on browser. Then from here, you can see cookies and cache. Simply tap on this clear option right here and then tap on clear. And like that, here you can see all of the cookies and cache has been cleared and it will save you some storage on your iPhone. So just like that, some of the other applications might also have these settings. Find that out and simply clear all of these cache. So another thing is to delete any kind of unnecessary files or folder that you have on your iPhone. Simply open your file application on your phone and then from here what you're going to do is go to on my iPhone. Here you can see I'm currently on my iPhone and then from here you can see these are all of the files that I currently have on my iPhone. Then from here, I'm going to go to this Chrome file right here. Here you can see these are all of the files that I currently have and I don't need these two files. So you can simply delete all of the files and folder that you have on your phone that you might actually not require. Simply long press on the file, then scroll down a bit, tap on delete. I'm going to delete this one too, long press, scroll down, then tap on delete. And just like this, you can delete any of the files. So another thing that you can do is simply delete any kind of voices that has been downloaded on your iPhone. For that, get to the settings. Then from your settings, scroll down, then tap on accessibility. After doing that, what you're going to do is scroll down until you see read and speak. Here you can see read and speak, tap on it. And then from here, simply scroll down, then tap on voices. Then from here, you can see I'm currently using the English version. So simply tap on English. And in here, you can tap on voice. Here you can see currently this voice is downloaded on my phone. If I scroll down, I can also find these voices that has been downloaded on my phone, but I'm pretty sure I don't use these voices. So what you can do is simply delete these voices. Tap on this edit option right here. And you can see these are downloaded on my phone. Simply tap on this red icon right here and delete all of the voices that you don't quite use. Tap on tick option and simply do that. So another thing is deleting any kind of messages that you don't quite need. So for that, what you're going to do is go to your settings and then from here scroll down and then tap on general, then tap on iPhone storage. Then from here, what you're going to do is scroll down and open your messages application, tap on it. You'll be needing your passcode for that. And then from here, you can scroll down, you can see documents. There we have top conversations, photos, videos, GIFs and stickers and others that are consuming a lot of your storage. So if you simply tap on conversations, here we can now delete any of the conversation that you don't quite need but is consuming a lot of your spaces. So if you simply tap on the edit option right here, you can now select what conversation you want to delete. Here you can see these are consuming a lot of your storage. So I'm going to pick the top ones. Just like this. I'm going to delete all of the fours. Tap on the dustbin icon right here and simply delete it. So after doing that, if you go back here, we also have the options of photos, videos. So if you don't need these photos and videos and any other data, you can simply delete all of that. Simply tap on photos and in here tap on edit and simply select the photos that you don't quite need. Just like this, and this, and then again do the same exact thing, tap on the dustbin icon and delete them. So after doing that, another thing is clearing your history and website data on your Safari. For that, again, go back and we are on the iPhone storage. And then from here, again, go back to the main settings. Then from here, what you're going to do is scroll all the way down, then tap on apps. Then from here, search for Safari. Here you can see Safari right here, tap on it. And after going to the settings, here scroll down until you see the option of clear history and website data right here, tap on it. And then what you're going to do is select the time frame and also the profile of whatever history that you want to delete from Safari. I'm going to go with all history and all profile. And I'm also going to select close all tabs. And all you need to do is tap on clear history. And just like this, we have now successfully cleared all of the Safari history, which might also be consuming a lot of your space on your iPhone. So the final thing that you can do is simply delete all of your recently deleted photos, which will be consuming a lot of your spaces. So simply go back and open your Photos application, just like this, and then tap on Collections. Then from Collections, what you're going to do is scroll down and we have the option of recently deleted right here. Tap on it. And of course, you'll be needing your Face ID for this. And then from here, you can either manually select the photos that you want to be permanently deleted, or you can simply clear all of these altogether. Simply tap on Select and simply tap on this three-dot bar right here and tap on Delete All. Or if you want to do it manually, you can tap on the photos just like this. And what you can do is tap on this cross icon right here and delete these photos. For now, what I'm going to do is delete all. Tap on delete all, delete from this iPhone, and clear all of your recently deleted photos or videos. And yeah, that is it. These were some few things that you can do in order to get your iPhone storage back. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.